Alright you guys, so I'm going to give you an overview of my Moeller Livewell today. As you can see, I'm currently filling it up with the raw water wash down. This morning when I wanted to make the video, of course my Livewell pump is seized up. It's just one of those cheap, I believe it's a Tsunami pump from Walmart. However, they have a great warranty on it for just $1 with a return plan. If you want a cheap Livewell pump for $20 or $30 and just replace them all the time, I mean, you can do that for $1 lifetime protection plan. But basically, as you can see, I have a hose that comes out of one of these rod holders from a Livewell pump to a through hull. This is my saltwater rod wash down. Yes, I know it's dripping. It only does that while it's running there. And it runs from here all the way to the Livewell, and it splits off. So I wanted it to be removable. You know, as you can see, this boat doesn't really have solid gunnels or anything. So there really wasn't a better place to put a Livewell that wasn't, you know, like a movable one. And this is, I believe, a 26 gallon. But basically, you've got two inlets where the water comes in, and it gets a decent thing going on, a little bit of crank line in there. And then there's the overflow, but overall, just Moeller, or however you pronounce that, it's been a great Livewell. Keeps bait alive very well. It's nice. I only wish I would have gotten white as opposed to the blue. But overall, yes, I would recommend it if you've got a Livewell issue or you need to put a Livewell in your boat. Definitely go with one of these, and you can plumb it however you like.